Hey team, Leo here. We have a new service that we're using for hosting websites for our members. We're also going to be using it for hosting something called LearnPress, which is the same online training platform we're using for you guys for onboarding, and we may be using it for member onboarding and all kinds of things. We showed it to a couple of members. They're very excited about it and want their own installs of LearnPress. So if you go to my.WPEngine.com and you log in using you'll have your own credentials. These are the master credentials, the master admin, but you'll have your own credentials. So you log in and it takes you to this dashboard that's really cool, because right now it's showing the workspaces that we have available. We have 10 installs, you can see here. We've only used one of them. We will be setting up an install for a member when they want a LearnPress site set up so they can do online training. We pay a certain amount of money, $10 per month per install or something like that is what it breaks down to. And we can turn around and bill the member whatever we want to bill, $100 a month, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, because these online training programs are not cheap if you try to go use one of the hosted providers that are out there. So the first install whenever we set up our account is this nerd account here. If we click on it, it takes us over to the actual dashboard for it. So this is one install. Let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. So this would have all of our installs if we were setting up a bunch of WordPress sites for people. If you click this, you're creating another WordPress install on another server. So this is a WordPress site. All you really do here is see how many times it's been used and the storage and stuff like that. You're actually managing the server side of the WordPress installation from our dashboard here. But once you've created one, you've got to get in it to install plugins and themes and everything else. So let's go over and take a look at it. This is it, but the WordPress site itself is located here. Now we could create a domain for it so that it's easier to access, like training.nnerd.com or something like that if we wanted to use it for ourselves. Or for one of our members, it might be training.visionaryhorizons.com or classes.visionaryhorizons.com, something like that. But for right now, we'll just jump over here and play with it a little bit. So it is a WordPress site, and I'm already logged in. If I log out, let me log out of this, and I'll show you what it looks like to log in. It's just like a WordPress site. So if we hit that right there, this is what you'd normally do to log into a WordPress site. You just add the wp-login.php on it. And it pops up a little dialog here to let you log into it. So we'll log back in. And this is what a WordPress site looks like whenever you first log in. It's going to tell you all the status about it, a quick draft if you want to create something. Some of the plugins and activities and stuff is you'll see. So this thing was just blank with whatever the starting theme was. I don't know what the theme was. And then I went into plugins and installed LearnPress, which is very easy. I just clicked add a new plugin up here and searched for it and found LearnPress. I'll show you how I did it. Click add new, come over here and search for a new one, LearnPress. And it goes and finds it right here. It's already active because I've already installed it. If it wasn't installed, it'd look like this: install now. You click on it and it installs it, and you click activate. Super simple. Then you jump into LearnPress here, and I created a new course. Just click the button to create a course. This is the first course I created. Took like just a few seconds. You jump in to edit it. You add this stuff. This is a little description of the course. You come in to manage your curriculum, you click here and you can start typing a new section, and then these are lessons inside the section. You can add a quiz if you want to. It's really just a very cool platform. I'm going to turn off commenting down here, save this course, and that publishes it out to the world. Now if I click on this link right here, it's going to take me straight to that course that we've just created. So now if you gave this link to someone, they'd be able to come in and log in and take this class. So this is what they would see. The cost is free. We can actually add cost to it too for our members. If they want to charge people to attend their online classes, we could do that. A student would click enroll here. We can also get rid of this powered by WordPress and say powered by nerds or something like that. Curriculum, here's all the lessons that I just showed you that we added over there. Very quickly added the lessons. Click on the lesson, it takes you to the lesson and shows it to you. I didn't add anything in it, but that's how it works, and it's just a super quick, easy hosting. We don't have to jump around to cPanels or other registrars or anything like that. We can do it all right here inside of this this little portal that is WPEngine.com. All right, thanks a lot. Have fun with it. You go ahead and play with that first one. Richard has an invite to it. Cliff has an invite to it. If somebody else wants an invite, those guys are administrators. They can invite you to it. If you need any help anytime, like if you're in here and you're needing some help, this live chat right here is freaking awesome. These guys and gals are super responsive, super helpful, do just about anything that you ask them to do. So use that area right there. All right, thanks.